Cathie Woods has a good name in the finance industry, so when she talks about certain stocks, people hide what she says. If you want to know what she said, keep watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now that you've done that, let's start this video. Making a smart, big decision can be hard when experts have different opinions on an issue. For example, some investors are worried about today's drop in the price of Tesla stock, while others are still sure of their decision to invest in the company that makes electric cars. Watch today's video to find out why Cathie Woods said it would be hard to buy Tesla stock after a certain event. Before investing, companies carefully look at whether to buy the company's stocks or bonds. The economy and stock market are also taken into account, and experts and investors pay close attention to how Tesla stock develops and moves. And even though Tesla stock prices are always going up and down, buyers are still lining up to buy it. 10 people say that Tesla will continue to grow from now on. Despite this, ARK Invest recently updated its valuation model for Tesla and set a price target of $4,600 for the stock in 2026. This is the best case scenario. It will reach over $20,000 by 2030. The most current version of ARK's open source Tesla model says that each share will be worth $4,600 in 2026. The bull and bear cases were set to the 75th and 25th percentiles respectively. The American investment management company ARK Invest, which is based in St. Petersburg, Florida, regularly manages a number of exchange-traded funds. As of February 2021, the company managed $50 billion worth of assets. According to Forbes, American investor Cathie Woods is the CEO and C of ARK Invest. She is a famous stock picker and is often called most underrated investor in the business because she makes strong arguments for investing. She also has the evidence to back up her surprisingly smart claims in their 2021 open source Tesla Model ARK, said that they thought each share would be worth $3,000 in 2025. However, they changed their minds because of important changes like updated estimates of capital efficiency yesterday and autonomous ride hailing assumptions. Their guess was pushed back 1 year to 2026. People say that art is a key factor in Tesla's planned robocab business line, which is expected to bring in more than half of the company's expected earnings per share in 2026. In all of their simulations, they think that by 2026, 57% of the company's income will come from electric cars, even though the robot taxi brought in a lot more money. ARK Invest's new form makes Tesla's use of capital as well. When the Model 3 took off in 2017 and 2018, Tesla's capital expenditure per additional capacity unit was about $84,000 a byte. In 2019, it was closer to $7,700. Based on the model from the previous year, Tesla would spend between $6,000 and $8,000 for each additional unit of capacity in 2025. Since Tesla's capital efficiency has been much higher than expected, it may be safe to assume that it will spend between $2,000 and $7,600 per dollars capacity unit in 2026. The ARK says that Tesla's price should be $4,600 per share in 2026. Taking into account the latest changes to their model, the bear and bull cases show that could be worth about $2,900 to $5,800 per share in 2026. People in the United States won't be able to buy Tesla stock if this happens. It will only be available to Tesla employees and those already at the top of the company. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, agrees with Cathie Woods' comments, which are backed up by the company's CEO. Cathie went on to explain the situation further, saying that this is because their market share increased significantly rather than decreasing as other companies entered the electric vehicle market. It is expected that Tesla will be able to make 5 to 10 million cars by 2025. According to ARK Invest Musk, the price per share will be $3,000 if the business does well. The company Tesla is worth about $3 trillion, making it the most valuable in the world at the time this video was made. Tesla is thought to be worth $730 billion, and the American independent investment bank and the financial services company Piper Sandler has raised its target price for Tesla to $1,350 billion. Piper said that it thinks Tesla will make more cash because the stock price could go up, according to Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley. The climate that is slowing down electric cars is the race Tesla has won so far. He says Tesla is ahead at mile 21 of the electric car industry marathon, while other companies are still at mile and the like, and some are still tying their shoes. According to Morgan Stanley, Tesla will have about $9 billion in free cash flow this year and an extra $27 billion by 2025. So why should you buy a Tesla? Says now is the best time to buy Tesla stock. A new article in Barron's Magazine, an American weekly magazine that reports on U.S. money matters according to relevant market events and data. The debate is far from over. Some experts are predicting a crash, while others are predicting more than 100% gains. However, two factors make stock in the market leader in electric cars look unusually appealing. The last time this measure looked good was in March 2020, when the pandemic hit the U.S. and the market went down. However, Tesla continued to do better than expected, even though some investors stopped believing in the company and sold their shares. Wall Street was expecting Tesla to make 2.20 to 30 cents per share and $18 billion in sales. Ronald Stephen Barron, an American investor, mutual fund manager, and co-founder of the investment management company Barron Capital, says that Tesla easily beat those predictions. Also, Tesla's operating profit of about $1 billion was higher than what experts had predicted. Tesla shares went up by $5 after hours to $1,117 per share, which was a big jump from the closing price of $976 per share, as was already said. Analysts and investors have different opinions on Tesla's stock market position right now, but many are still optimistic and believe the stock is a good long-term investment. However, if Cathie is right and the price of a share of Tesla stock rises to $3,000, the average American will not be able to own stock in the electric vehicle industry leader. Click the subscribe button to get more news and updates about Tesla and other financial activities in the market. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.